How to scan a QR code on your Samsung device. Hello awesome people, welcome to How to Browser. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process of scanning a QR code on your smartphone. Now let's jump right into the video. What you need to do is this is really easy, by the way. This is a really easy tutorial, and it's really easy and really short tutorial because the steps are not hard. So what you need to do is to swipe down and then swipe down again, and then look for scan QR code. Now please tab on scan QR code, and what you need to do right now is to scan a QR code. Okay, here I have a QR code, and I can open the link, I can open in browser, I can copy, but just don't just scan random QR codes because it's not safe. So that's the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. If you have any problems, please drop your comment down below in the comment section. So see you guys in the next video. Take care.